Hello traders, hello everyone, my name is Horat and welcome to our new free video here on YouTube. After a while, I actually recorded video for our members, a longer one, last week, but I decided to just give you one piece of that video where I will try to show you what I think that may happen with the US dollar over the coming months. I want to look at the emerging markets versus the dollar, but in that video for members, I obviously covered also a lot of other markets and covered some of correlations and patterns which I think that could be important regarding the upcoming price action for the US dollar, because we know what they say: if you have dollar right, you have everything right. So I want to look this time on the emerging markets to give you just one piece of that video, and maybe this will be helpful and maybe you will find this video very interesting. So what we are looking at is at above we have the emerging markets, while below we have the dollar index. And normally when you see emerging markets moving to the upside, it means that these countries are improving. It means that dollars are flying out of the US into the other countries, into the emerging markets, right? But when you have this pullback going on, like currently down from start of the year, it means that the US dollars are not flowing out of the US into the emerging markets, and most likely this is because of the higher US yields, right? So whenever the US yields are going to maybe to slow down, potentially even turn back to the downside maybe sometime in 2024, that's when dollar could again resume to the downside. But now if we're just trying to focus on the wave principle, we can clearly see that we have a very nice 5 waves up here, followed by sharp reversal from January of 2023 highs. So that was only first leg of a counter-trend movement. But whenever we are tracking a counter-trend movement, we know that there are plenty of different corrections, but the most simple one is going to be an ABC movement or a zigzag. And in ABC movement, if I make this a little bit bigger, in ABC movement you will see that wave C should pass the extreme of wave A before the market could potentially turn in the opposite direction. And if you see, and if you look clearly here on these emerging market charts, well, there is ongoing weakness after recent reversal over the last few weeks down into wave C, but wave C is still missing here some parts to complete the whole structure. So it looks like that we could actually retrace all the way back to 61.8% of this previous first 5-wave rise. So after that pullback, I will be looking back to the upside. Why? Because I can see this first leg up from 2022 lows as an impulse. So after an impulse, of course, market will slow down for a correction and then again resume higher. So I think that the US yields in the US could potentially be approaching the end of the bull cycle over the next few months. And whenever that's really going to be a top, and when we will see a reversal down, that's when I think that the dollar index itself will also find resistance. So when I'm trying to do this combination with the emerging markets and dollar index, you can clearly see that possibly we are here in a flat correction here on the dollar index. So I think that this rise here to the upside on dollar index could be temporary, but still it has room left towards 105, 106 resistance, from where I would be looking for a next very strong move to the downside. At the same time, obviously, I would be looking for emerging markets to stabilize here at this area. So these markets are very, very important to track, to know whenever we have inflows or outflows of the US dollars. Okay, so traders, thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for watching this video. Now if you want to watch the full video, please make sure to check our website, subscribe to our premium services, which by the way you can test them for free for 7 days. Okay, so make sure to check this out. If not, I welcome you still on our website for free updates, and obviously on our Twitter channel for free charts. Okay, traders, enjoy your day. Bye.